Hi, in front of me I have Garmin Vivomove Sport and I'm gonna show you how to unpair this watch from your iPhone. First we need to open the Garmin Connect application on our iPhone, so let's open it. In the application we need to tap on this icon right here to open the device page for our Vivomove Sport. On this page, tap on the More Options icon right here in the top right corner. Then select Remove Device. And then tap Yes to confirm. The device should disappear from here. You can also open the Bluetooth settings on your iPhone. So let's go to Settings, tap on Bluetooth, and here we have a Vivomove Sport, as you can see. Tap on the eye icon next to it, tap on Forget Device, tap on Forget Device. Let's do it for the another one, like this. And once you forget the devices, your watch should be unpaired from your iPhone. And that's how you unpair this watch from your iPhone. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.